This video we learn another kind of the toolpath for machine this area, this surface, and we check over here. We machine all the machine flat one already, but we didn't select this flat one. That's what I thought. This is not flat, but let we check. Is the angle over here is a 90 degree. That's flat, and we need to add the flat more to this operation for make it machine 2 with this operation. Open this expand out and we click the geometry, and right now this geometry needs the avoidance, and we need to add to the machine over here. Add one more and okay, and regenerate it, and we waiting regenerate it over here, and it's done now. Show up the toolpath, and we need to verify again. This look like many operation. We don't need to verify all of them. We only need to verify only one. These are all of them. We click over here first and click back over here. Only verify it. Machine verify. Did a verify before we close it. This we don't need to verify all. We only verify one of them. Verify. Come back menu over here, and we run it. Just flat one, make sure it run flat over here. Okay, it run already. Now it run it. Okay, that's all we need to do now, and we double check all the surface, and we ran only this one, and we need to make another toolpath for run this one. This is the one of them toolpath, and we close the right click, mill toolpath, and parallel. I will run the parallel for that one. Surface finish parallel, and check one first and select, and we need to check for all the surface. Need to check, make sure we don't run another surface, and now we select the machine surface. That means we select the surface to machine. Two surface over here, and that enough. Okay, run the core in bomb mill, run the 200 surface, and this will run 1/2 down, zero, zero, absolute, parallel, 50, machining, run zigzag right now, and okay, I'll do 50 and adjust later. 50 step over for run it fast, and we see it first, and right now it run this way, that will follow the x-axis. We need to run for the y-axis. That's why we change the 90 degree over here, and I'll change this about 5 down for more smoothly. Really smoothly, and follow the y-axis. Now we need to verify it. Let it run. You see this, it will come up. Check the collision over here. Turn off the part. It turned out really good now. And we need to check the tool run and turn on the part and run the compare. Oh, you can see only brown, green and yellow. Brown at the part, that means it's 0, and we only see this and yellow mix up. That's very good turnout, smoothly, not rough. Not rough anymore. That's the surface finish operation with the parallel tool path, and we run 90 degree for the tool path. The tool run the 90 degree with the x-axis. It will be along with the y-axis. And this will be raised up, avoid for the portion on the top. That's all we need for each part, and we can click over here to check which one is not finished yet, or we still have this one not finished yet. I'll do another video for make finish this surface, the wall surface. Thank you for watching.